Hello everyone, today we're going to draw a cute little frog. First, let's start with the body. The body is like a big curve, okay? Big curve. Draw one circle there for you and one circle here. Then you're going to make it bigger. The body big. I can round thing. You need to go again and trace it all around and trace it all around or again. After that, you draw the eyes. So make it a little longer into the inside, like that. Then you can draw the eyes. The eyes are like the curve, but not like this. It's like upside down. Okay, like that. Then draw a curve, little curve there, and then draw another one. Go over it. Go over it very well. Okay, when you're done that, draw the inside of it. Draw the inside, okay? Draw the inside. First, draw the mouth. The mouth is like one line there and then across. One line, two lines across, like that. Like that. And now let's draw the cheeks on this side. Cheeks. And then draw the other cheek. Okay. Now draw the inside of the eyes. We're going to make one big circle. See, one big circle, and then the other circle on the side. Okay, the other side. Draw an inside one, inside, draw another circle inside. Do the other side, same step. Then draw one big circle and one little circle. Same side on this. Big circle, little circle. Gonna do big rectangle, little rectangle. The same side. Big rectangle, little rectangle. Okay, now let's draw the body. Okay? First, let's draw the tummy of it. Tummy. Okay. Now, let's draw the legs, okay? Front legs. Draw one leg and two and three, like that. And one on the other side. 1, 2, 3, like that. Now it's back legs. Back legs are very hard, so watch carefully. First, do a curve like that. And then do the other side too. Then do a curve like this. The other side looks like his he's dancing. Then do one line like this and 3 feet and go back into this spot. And do it in another side. 3 and go back. And then let's do a little twirl inside. And then we're done. Let's trace it with these. You need yellow marker, green marker, and a Sharpie. First we do the Sharpie, okay? So Sharpie first. Sharpie, get out. Trace. And do the other side too. Let's do the mouth. And then use the green marker. Open it and trace the frog, but not cheeks, not the belly, okay? The hands. Then the feet. If you need to erase these pencil things, you can erase. I'm not erasing. Let's use this pink. It's pink and color in the cheeks. First, you color in these lightly and outside hard. And then color it in with hard. With your pink pencil crayon. Okay, now let's do the other side. Let's use the yellow marker. Yellow marker, open, and then color the belly. Trace the belly of the frog. Do the twirl. Get your peach and color all of that lightly in the belly. The last thing we need to do is then color all green, all the body green, okay? All of his body green. Okay, let's do it. We're done our frog, everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe down here to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. See you later.